right?
Right.
It's a house of 9 people. That is, I have 2 parents and other siblings.
Right.
It has 3 bedroom inside,
Okay.
whereby the first bed is on the other side,
Got it. There.
of which
Yes.
there's a bed for the parents. If you want to have a look, no worries. You can just walk around to have a look. So maybe you can stand so that you can see the bed.
Yeah, I didn't want to be intrusive.
No, just come.
Okay.
I've already welcomed you. So go.
Oh, grandmother.
That's my grandma. She's
Hello,
my grandma.
grandmother. I'm sorry.
So what are you?
No,
She's
let her
about
rest.
9. No, yeah.
Yeah, that's
she's
what I mean. I didn't.
96
Yeah.
years old.
This is the second.
This is a bed for the little kids.
Ah, the
That's where
children's bed.
The kids spend the night.
Right.
Right. Oh. Hello, Dwyer. Ah.
And this is for your parents.
This is for the guest room.
Oh,
You
guest.
can just go in.
Oh,
Just
cool.
go. He has a bed for the guest.
Oh,
That's
gotcha.
where the guest spend the night. So that's
Right.
a bed, right?
Yes. Got it.
And in the middle here,
The kitchen.
this is the kitchen place. Our main food is milk, meat, and blood. That's our main food.
Right.
Here we don't do farming because of wild animal issues, so
Yes.
mostly we get to buy the food. We have this small chimney that allows the smoke to
The
get
smoke, I
out,
was wondering how the smoke got
Yeah.
out right there.
and also the sunrise to come in for the light.
Right.
And use it in a smaller size because of wild animal issue
Exactly.
and also mosquito problem.